Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a painting of a lady sitting on the stairs. We'll need some regular art supplies to create this, so let's get started. The supplies used are mentioned in the description below as usual. I have already sketched the base painting yesterday, although I'm not really good at sketching, so you can see the raw drawing. Usually my paintings required no or minimal sketching. We will try to paint loose in this painting except for the detailing. So I'm using a medium round brush to block the colors. I'm not really worried about the lines of the doors or stairs, just giving the impression of the door and stairs. I'm using muted colors instead of the loud colors. It is really a great way to achieve the main focus of the painting. So the lady is the main focus of the painting, the rest should be muted. And how to mix muted colors is pretty simple. Just add a tiny bit of complementary color to it and you will have the perfect muted color. Now, what is complementary colors? Here's the answer. Complementary colors are pairs of colors which, when combined, cancel each other out. This means that when combined, they produce a grayscale color like white or black. When placed next to each other, they create the strongest contrast for those particular two colors. Now we'll paint the lady. She's wearing a black and white dress with a blue shrug. She's pretty colorful. For the detailing, I have changed the brush from medium round to small round brush. guys, the painting is completed here. I'm not sure what should I name it. If you have any name for this painting, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching the video. I would love to know your feedback about it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Have a great day. Goodbye.